Look at that.
All right, can you just close it and open it one more time?
No.
Please?
Yes, dude, he's trying to get some film, dude.
I'll tell you the next time I open it, okay?
Dude, come on, he's trying to get some film.
No, it's fine. It's fine.
Sorry, but...
So YWAM Redding is having a promotional barbecue fundraiser type thing. We're gonna go down, check it out, and meet up with Jake and Leonard, who are barbecuing, and they've been up all night. Well, maybe not up all night, but they've been like smoking and having temperature checks. Oh, I'm supposed to check something. Thank you for reminding me. Yeah, so we're gonna go down, try to help out, because as you guys, some of you guys know, like I have a background. I went to culinary school. I've worked in that industry a lot. Haven't done a lot of barbecue, but so this is our campus that we're living on. It's the First Presbyterian Church. It's not like a summer barbecue. It's like a winter, what would you call it?
Crappy barbecue.
But with amazing food, hopefully. Yeah. Let's see what you got. Ooh. I think something that I've learned in YWAM is that you always, let me set you guys up here. You usually always get roped into things unintentionally, but people just need help. We use this acronym called FAT. It's like where you need to be flexible, adaptable, and teachable. So I'm jumping in today and helping out Jake and Leonard because I think it would be really bad if nobody helped them. All of our chicken is frozen, as you guys can see this. So I have some chicken defrosting here. This is just something interesting that I thought you guys might enjoy. I'm defrosting chicken. Is this really that interesting? Like, please let me know in the comments. Because sometimes people defrost things not the correct way. So I have a bunch of frozen chicken here. We have like 3 boxes of it. And so you want to get it in the water as quickly as possible in defrosting. You don't need to use hot water because usually you don't have that much. But as long as water is constantly running over it, because water and ice can survive at the same temperature, 32 degrees Fahrenheit. So when you have a constant flow of water, it slowly defrosts it, and it fairly quickly actually. So then you can start to break up. See how they're starting to come apart. And so I've kind of set up this little tier situation where it's like one will lead into the other, and then it will defrost. It's something, you guys, if you're interested, how to defrost things. All right, so doing a little better. We finally got our chicken legs defrosted.
You know what the move is, boy. Show them what's over here, bruh. Show them what the move is over here, bruh. You know, you already know. Look at that. Hold on. Show them. Look at that. Perfect.
That is a glorified hockey puck.
Oh, look at that, man.
Looks great. That's James. He's from Pittsburgh.
Hit me up, ladies, if you need me to make you some food. I'll be a loyal husband and a good chef.
I had some of the brisket. It tastes wonderful.
Oh,
good job.
Good.
Imagine if he was like, it tasted
horrible. You guys suck.
That's like sweat, blood, and corn oil.
Look at that. Look at that.
Everything's looking better. Cooking some. I don't know if this is legal to like cook out of the back of your car, but YWAM Redding.
Dude, you gotta get some burnt chicken in here, man. You gotta get some burnt chicken in here, dude. Everybody likes their burnt chicken.
Making stuff.
Allan.
Alright, what do we got here, Molly? Oh, there's Januru.
It's your grandma, Jay.
Oh.
I'm famous.
Yes, it's famous. Alright, Molly, what do we got going on here?
We got some brisket, not in a biscuit, just brisket. We got some chicken. So good, so good. And we got some unique but good potato salad.
Makes me feel like I can dunk on it. You know what I'm saying, cuz?
We know what you're saying. That's Januru, everybody, if you didn't meet him. Oh, but I have another video of him coming out pretty soon. Like a surprise proposal video. But,
Surprise proposal?
well, it was a surprise for me, but I was there. And
Oh yeah, you ran away.
the event was, it worked out.
It was wet.
It was wet, but it worked out better than, I guess I should be more optimistic. It worked out better than I was expecting. More people came than I thought, and we defrosted the chicken in time. Everybody ate all the brisket, but it was nice.
It was tasty.
And now we're walking back. This is the end. Beginning, middle, end. Conflict resolution. It worked out. All right, well, God bless you guys. Have an amazing day.